Okay, it's $28. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also still Wigmas, and we have another Wig Bay holiday sleigh to share with y'all, okay? Go ahead and check out my girl, Janae. It's either Janae or Janae. I think it's Janae, but if I'm wrong, girl, I'm sorry. So she says this unit kind of reminds her of the Julianne wig that I showcased during this season of Wigmas. She loves this wig, and she wore it for her baby shower and for her maternity shoot months after. She loves how she can style it and make it look like a whole nother wig. She didn't say another, she said another. You know, you feeling it when you start to shorten words. Yeah. It's also heat safe, so if she needs to revamp it, easy peasy. Okay, lemon squeezy. Janae made it easy. Listen. Now, this unit that she's wearing is Outre Laurel, and I do have this unit in my arsenal of wigs. However, I've never tried her. I don't think, have I? So I may need to go ahead and bust her out and give some looks like my girl here, because sis is slaying. So make sure y'all show Janae some love down below. I'm sure she will appreciate it. Before we get into my look, just know this unit did not come exactly like this out the pack. I had to do a little razzle dazzle up here with my hairline, so make sure you stay tuned to see how I did that. So you don't gotta be telling me how yours was not what it was out the pack. Listen. I show the installs for a reason, y'all. I show the installs for a reason. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So did you watch the install or did you skip through? Okay, listen. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is their brand new unit by the name of Avianna. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color UC Ginger Brown. Now this unit does retail on most sites under $30. It does come in other specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. This unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is only a straight back part, so it's basically like a T part, an I part, a simple lace part unit. That's what this is, okay? However, it does say it comes with a pre-plucked lace parting as well as natural baby hairs. Now Outre, okay, I know what you saying. Okay, I know what you saying, but I know what I saw. Okay, and what I saw with my eyes was napped. It didn't exactly come with that. It does have a little lace in the front, so if you want to go in like I did and pull some of the hair out to give you more of a natural look, you can definitely do that. If you need to bust it open a little bit the way that I did, you definitely have the parting space in the hairline to do that for yourself. As you saw, I did a little bit of work to get my unit like this, and I will tell you, it's necessary, okay? If you want your unit to look as natural as possible, open up that parting space, pull some of that hair from that hairline to give you a natural look. Now, how it looks on the card, this unit looks gorgeous. I was so excited for this unit, especially in this color. It looked good on her. Out the pack though, I was a little regretful. I was not sure I was gonna be able to pull this off for me, just because I felt like the color was so bright. I know my girl Danita featured this unit a couple weeks ago when it first dropped, and she had like a brownish blonde color, and it looked gorgeous on her. So I was really feeling it when I saw it on her, and I was like, maybe I should have got that color. And then I saw Courtney Janine, she featured another color with this unit, and I'm pretty sure her color was this one right here on the stock card. I was like, dang, I should have got that color. So I was real scared about, you know, trying this color out for myself, but I have tried human hair wigs in this color before, so I was like, you know what, let me chill, let me calm down, let me go ahead and put my little razzle dazzle on this joint, and I'm glad that I stepped out on faith, okay, and got this joint, because I think we did it. Now this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you need to put some heat on your unit like I did, you can definitely do that. Use warm heat on low or at least on medium to get it together, because if you use high heat on high, it's gonna melt your unit. It's gonna cause a lot of frizzies up there. You're not gonna want that, okay? I am feeling a little pricklies up here. I may have melted the hair a little bit, you know, shush. But other than that, the hair is like a silkier texture. It's a thick silky, but it's not yucky at all. There's no yak in this unit. So if you don't like silky textures, then this may not be the one for you. I did have some shedding and tangling with this unit. I'm still getting some when I kind of rake my fingers through it. So, you know, just be mindful of that. The unit to me as a whole is pretty basic. There's nothing crazy fanatical about the unit. Like, it's pretty simple. And for $30, like, you know, it is what it is. The color choices are definitely what make this unit kind of stand out. This undercolor, or if that's what it means, does you see me undercolor? I think so. What they got going on right now, I love this. I would love to see this type of color on other textured units. I think it would look really gorgeous, especially if they get the curl right. They're a little bit too long. So y'all saw that I did use my hairspray to kind of spray the unit back, you know, to kind of get her together. And you know, she's sitting how she needs to sit, but it's not gonna last. You know what I'm saying? I need the curls to flow the way they need to flow. And when you have silky textures like this, the curls are not gonna flow like they would on a textured unit. Okay, so be mindful of that. Okay, so what are we thinking about this one? I mean, for under $30, you know, just at $28, I can't complain about this. I spent that much on one trip to McDonald's, so you know. I mean, if I can look the part while I do it, then hello. I'm not really in the business of complaining about a $30 wig, especially if there's nothing really wrong with the unit, then you know I can't complain. There are things that I would change about the unit, but oh wait a minute, ooh, that fly wig got right in my mouth. There are things that I would change about the unit, you know, based on personal preferences, but I know some of y'all like silky textures on a budget, and listen, here you go, okay? A human hair version of this unit, not even close to $30. I mean, you buying this unit for the look. She's not gonna last long. A $28 wig is gonna act like a $28 wig, okay? A $28 wig is not a $280 wig. It's not even a $40 or a $50 wig, okay? It's $28. So understand what you're getting for that price, and I think we're getting something worthy of that price point, okay? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.